Welcome, guys. It's Ivy. Happy New Year. First of all, this is my first TJ Maxx video of the year. We're going to here just to browse because that's what we like doing. And to see if you guys don't want something, see it. You can go out and get it because you know it's there. So let's go in here and look. And don't forget, guys, to hit like, subscribe, drop a comment. Bye. Hold on. Oh, look at this purse, guys. I'm in TJ Maxx. Look at this purse. First of all, it's $49. It's by Rachel. But it's like leather. It's green. I love that color. Let's look at some more purses. They moved a lot of them out of the way. So do you all see the trim that's out? Like, look at the some of my other videos of it. The colors are the same. So this kind of the color that's out. This purse is by Nanette Lepore. It's actually $19, originally $99. I like that color. The scarf could go, but I like the color. That's the design. And she has another design too. It's kind of like a square, but I like this one because it's different. I like that, and the handles are different too. Yes, all these pinks and salmons. And look, okay, that's still wintry looking, and it's vegan. Look at that. It's $19 also. Grand Mercy and Grand. I like that. They even bring us some pale yellows out. Okay, guys, so now we are in TJ Maxx looking at some calendars and journals. But here's Ray Dunn again from Marshalls. So this is TJ Maxx, and he's $5.99. Faith, Love, and Hope. We got some calendars. Oh, I like those calendars. It's a 12-month paper. It's by Paddle Lane. $9.99. Now that's worth it. I would get that. This is how the back works, and that's the front. Here is another one. Ray Dawn again. And it is $5.99. So he in these stores, huh? Planners. This is just a journal right here. Ain't that nice? Grab these things now because by the time the season is get through, it'll be expensive. What is this? What a cute book. Okay, that's how I look at the inside. It's got time multiplication. So it's 3 little books, handmade, and they're $6.99, made in Italy. But it's got multiplications in it. It's a chart in it, everything. You can do a lot with that. What's that? Paddle Lane Home 12-month calendar, $7.99. Okay, that's a desktop. Okay, they got a clearance on a lot of their stuff. Work hard and be kind. That's $3. Yay, it's my birthday. That's $3. Look, a giant pencil. That's $2. What is it? Just a giant. Oh, it just go on the desk. Okay. Okay, what is this? A picture album? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what it is. And all of them sealed down too. Yep, all of them. Let's see. I can't tell what it is. Maybe they're little journals or little planners. It's a pen in there, so it tells me it's a journal or a planner. And at least they stuff tied down. Other places have Eat Well and Travel Often. $3. Life is such a adventure. Treated great. 3. So we got all these different. That one 4. Be kind. And you can decorate these guys. Make them for what you want. Put flowers on them. You can put leaves on them. Glitter, whatever you want to do with them. Upscale. Best grandma ever. That's me. And that one is $6. Okay, let's see what's around here because they have a array of stuff. Okay. Little crayons and stuff. What is that? Erasers. Okay. Here is some more calendars. This is a calendar by Desk Blotter calendar. It's paper. $4. That's $4. That's a good one. Here's another one. We saw that one on the other side. This one $3. Okay, they wasn't this price. At Marshalls, they were fired in there. And that one $3. Oh, okay, so I grabbed some calendars for my vision board party, some journals, That's why I'm grabbing stuff for my vision board party. It's gonna be small, but everybody asked her, okay, who is Ray Dawn? That's her. That's Ray Dawn. $3. I've been saying her name so much I feel like I know her, so I need to know who she is. Here's some more desktop stuff, guys. All these are organizers. Now let me tell you something. Like I told you guys, you could do what you want. I know a lady. Now it's $6, right? I know a lady. She buy these. They have the words on. She redecorate and sell them, and make a nice little living. She don't work no more. This is cute too. Look at that organizer. Oh, $8. It's heavy too. Here's another one. But so we was looking at baskets in Big Lots. So go watch that video. Okay. And here, a lot of was farmers market stuff. And $7.99. I'm already liking the price. So let me look at some stuff that was similar. Look at that, $20. That's high. That's kind of high. This one's $16, but it's much bigger. Look at that. That's a big basket. Okay. Oh, here. 16. Much bigger basket. That's why it's important to shop around. Okay. Watch the Big Lots video. Look at that one. 16. Then let me see how much that small one was. $12. See? That one's $6.99. Look at that. Now I like a picnic basket. That's cute, and I like it to look like this, like not really perfect, because that's the beauty in it. Look, $5.50, guys. See what I mean? That's what I'm saying. You have to watch the prices and stuff. That's why you get shopping videos, so you can see the difference. Look at those are $9. I think my mother should start using these. These are like weed wicker baskets. I'm gonna ask her about them. Oh, look at this one. It is so darling. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's weed tight too. It's super tight. And that one is $19. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. I like that. Let me see. 12. Oh, I want a couple of these. So this one is 12. I'm gonna grab this one. Then I want one just a little bigger. Wait. Okay. And this one. How much is this one? 14, which is not bad. So that's how they look in there, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. I only need 2 of these. Okay, look at this. This is $3. Interlocking 8-pack of bins. So they stick together. You can lock them together. Okay. Oh, here. See. There you go. And they $3. So it's time to stock up on all the stuff you want to do. Like here's a blue set right here. Blue set. Yay. Or you know what? I'm gonna grab that because I got something going on that involves you guys. So I'm gonna grab it. Okay. Oh wow. Let's see, that's $7.99. That's cute, but I think it's just for a little kid. How much is that? That's $8. My mother loves those, guys. She loves them. Okay. And I hope you guys enjoy that. I do shop. I don't just come in here sometimes. I do look window shop, but a lot of times I buy stuff sometimes too. I like that big laundry bag, but I could see my kids getting down in that. That's why I won't mess with it. Because those is boys, honey. They is tyrants. Oh, look at this. Okay, now this is cute too. No. 14. 12. I like that. So here's some more. Okay, here's another basket. Now this one is much different than that other basket we was looking at. That one 19. Look at them. And then you got them for different sizes. So So how much is this one? This one 14. It's a little shorter than that one. So here's the little clearance that they have. Little tiny stuff. Let's see. 3. Uh-oh. Not on clearance. I'm sure some of the stuff back here don't belong back here. What are those erasers? A starter pack with a shelf. $8. Oh, okay. Nice. Here's another journal. Gem update. Not there yet. $4.99. That's nice. And we saw this at another place. Every day is a new adventure. It's a monthly planner. They got Christmas stuff left too. It ain't a lot, but they got it here. Here you go, right here. It's really not like I'm not interested in no Christmas stuff, guys. Man. Okay, here is more calendars, and I see TJ Maxx and Marshall's have the same stuff. So like here's the notes. It's $4.99, and that's how I look in the inside of the pocket. And look at that, all kind of stuff that you do. Happy Mind, Happy Life. Clementine, that's $4.99. That's how it looks. And it's actually just a journal. Calendars, they got tons of calendars. See the calendar? And we did look at those calendars, see how much it was. Okay, $6. Okay. Let's see this one. This is the chunky rip-off calendar. And that's $7.99. Oh, look, they got little pencil cases. Those are new. That's different. $5.99. And that's how that one looked with the initial. Then you got pens, welcome. All of these little things. It's $5.99. How much this cost? $14. It's heavy too, guys. Real heavy. Oh my goodness. So it's all your stationery right here. Stationery. And we saw those at Marshall. So let's see how much they are here. Compare prices. Always compare. $9.99. I think that was the same price. It's already done. She getting all the money. $9.99. And we look at those stick boards, letter boards, and $9.99. But you guys, make sure you watch that Kohl's video. That was $30 in Kohl's. Okay, so the pictures, they don't have a lot of decor. $19. And they say this is us. That's pretty. It's made out of that wood. I'm looking for pictures for my washroom. That big picture, it looks so good, guys, on my coming through my hallway going upstairs. It is gorgeous. The one, go watch my Marshall's Burlington video. That's the one I bought the picture out of. Like this supposed to be one mirror. That's how it looks. This is it. And see that? That's pretty. Look at this one. I think we go that way. Yeah, it does. And how much is this picture? $39. Yeah, I know I can't see. I was about to say $9.99. We're gonna grab all of them. This by Nicole Miller, and that's what it is, a jewelry hanging kit organizer. Okay. I could do so much more with that than jewelry. And it's $29. People are into these signs and lunar phases and new moons and stuff, and this would be perfect right here. Whoa, the thing fell off. So I can't tell you how much it is, guys. Now this is just one of those things you stick stuff down in. Perfect if you are like to put pictures of stuff and stuff. Clamp it there. I have this on my wall in my coupon room. These little, see, they take put pictures on. I got coupon thing, little bitty stuff. Okay, look, that's TikTok. That's Ray Don too. This lady getting paid, yeah. Okay, guys, I'll be leaving out of here now. But this is what I'm getting. I'm gonna grab that. You'll see this again. And I have this small bowl like this. And then I got this big one right here. They're gonna go in my washroom upstairs. I have a stand in there that I can't find nothing to do with it. So that's what's gonna do. Thanks guys for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, and share my channel. Bye.